Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use edits in Instagram app. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, you need to go to the App Store or Play Store and download and install the application on your device. Once you've done that, all you need to do is to open the application. So guys, once you open the application, it will ask you to log in with Instagram. So you need to tap on here. If you don't have an account, there was an option at the bottom that you can create an account as well. So I will enter my username and password and log into my account. So guys, once you logged into your account, all you will see here is how edit works. They will say join edits. You can press on that one. You can allow the app to send you a notification as well. So this is the first interface that you will see. If I click on this icon right at the left here, you will find things that add stickers. You can find the stickers here. If you tap on Reels, here will be the Reels that you have saved. You can find them here as well. If you tap on audio here, so you will find all the audios that you have used maybe or saved. Then you can press on collections here as well. So you will find them here. Now, the second option here is if you tap on this here, you will find all the inspiration, the videos that people are editing and posting on Instagram. You can edit your videos here and post it on other platforms such as TikTok and other social media platform as well. If I press right here on this icon, it will allow me to access to my camera and microphone on the device. All you need to do is to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, as you see, it needs the permission. And once you grant the permission, right here is microphone. I will ask every time. You can just press on allow, and then photos and videos, camera permission is already allowed, so you can do that and tap on. So guys, once you tap on allow, it will access to your camera. From here you can record a new video which you want to edit. But if you want to access to the existing videos on your device, you can do that as well by simply tapping on this icon right at the middle, then tap on the plus icon. From here, go to the gallery, allow permission, and then from here you can choose any video that you want to use. Suppose in this case I want to use this video. Tap on the arrow at the top and this video will be imported here. So right here guys, it's the same way that you can edit your Reels inside the Instagram application. Here it will give you so many edit options. Here you have audio to choose if you want to edit text, voiceover, captions, overlay. All these options are here, and it works the same way that you edit your videos inside the Instagram application or any other application like TikTok. So you can add another video to this one. If you want to add another clip, by just tapping on the plus icon, you can change the speed of it. You can overlay as well. You can add sound effects. You can even add caption to it or voiceover on it. So there are all the available edit options here as well. So guys, right at the top, as you can see here, there is an option 2K and export. So if you want to change the quality, you can make it either HD or 4K frame rate. You can change it to 30 or 60 or even 24 if you want. Once you're done with all these, all you need to do is to tap on export and your video will be exported to your gallery. So guys, this is how you can edit your videos on Instagram edits. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.